Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy, and today I'm going to show you the following: how you can use LLM prompts for sales order page in order to generate thank you note. And when I say thank you note, I mean something like, "Dear Amelia Armstrong, thank you for your purchase. Your order is this, and we sincerely appreciate your business." So how you can achieve that? First of all, you need to create prompt ID like this. For example, I created SO greeting. Then I give to this prompt some name. Then I need to select the screen, specifically sales order, button name, and here we have instructions for prompt creation. What I wanted to highlight in these instructions. So first of all, here we have context instructions, and it is important to inform ChatGPT what kind of model he is. Basically, you are an AI assistant integrated with Acumatica ERP, functioning as experience assistant, creating personalized gratitude descriptions, customer-facing descriptions for sales orders. Be creative in usage of gratitude with words like thank you, appreciate, and so on. And here we have, again, as was mentioned in previous video, document order number, document customer ID, and I want to highlight very important detail. If we select input fields, what is kind of interesting, let's say we speak about sales order, like we have sales order, and if we want to get something deeper than, let's say, customer and some field of customer, we can also get it. So customer, and we see that customer doesn't have much nesting included into that, but no, sorry, it still has, it has parent account, and you see we can select not just what we see on the screen, but we can see also nested accounts, which Acumatica is aware of. So we can, for example, get customer restriction group and so on. And let me select this just for demo purposes. As you can see here, we have customer, parent account, B account ID, and so on. I will delete this, but so you can be aware that this nice input data field allows you to select not just what you see on the screen, but you can select even in upper level nesting. Again, here we have for each view transactions. The transactions, this is this one, this guy. Yeah, transactions. And here we have line numbers, description, and so on and so on. And now let's test it. So I selected here sales order, I click on test prompt, and you can see a bit of patience. Here we have nice personalized message. Dear Amelia Armstrong, thank you for your order of 3 Acer laptop computers. We appreciate your purchase, which amounts. Have a wonderful day. So when I click on active, then let's look how it may be in actual instance. So here we have LLM actions, and I click on button thank you. Again, while it executed, this button is managed by this checkbox active. And you see, dear Amelia Armstrong, thank you for your purchase. Your order number is this. So as you can see, you can be creative in your descriptions. You can create personalized messages. Want to mention that on this report, I added order description separately here. This is a bit of modified. And now when I click on print sales order, I get not just, let's say, sales order, but I get also personalized message. So Amelia Armstrong may feel that, okay, I'm an important person because Not just like for, but also like dear Amelia Armstrong, thank you for your purchase. And each user will get individual message. I just also want to admit that this placement is not maybe the best one. Maybe it's better to put in other places, but I'm not designer. I'm software developer, so I also want to use this as opportunity. If you need to customize your Acumatica, my team will be extremely happy to help you on that.